Hello, fellow women in science. Today, we are going to be learning about telomeres and telomeres. Telomeres are an important repeating sequence, which is TTAGGG at the end of DNA strands. This sequence is usually repeated about 3,000 times and can reach up to 15,000 base pairs in length. Each time a cell divides and makes a copy of its DNA, it cannot completely replicate the strand, so we lose a part of that DNA in the process. So this extra repeating non-functioning compound helps protect the rest of the DNA that actually codes for a functioning trait. In this way, telomeres can be compared to the plastic tips known as aglets on the end of shoelaces. It acts as a protective barrier that prevents the DNA strand from unraveling, fraying, sticking together, or losing the important parts, which is the actual coding DNA. In fact, once a cell loses all of these repetitions, they stop dividing, become insistent cells, or even go through apoptosis. This is what leads to the effects of aging, such as thinner skin, because the remaining cells have to stretch themselves out. Something that combats this telomere shortening is the enzyme telomerase, also called terminal transferase, which is a ribonucleoprotein that adds a species-dependent telomere repeat sequence to the 3' end of telomeres. Basically, it can lengthen the telomeres, giving cells a longer lifespan and rejuvenating them. In the wrong cells, though, this enzyme becomes dangerous because it can run rapid and cause immortal cells and is now being linked to cancer. Currently, research is being done to inhibit the telomerase present in those cells to reduce cancer cells, or another method of creating mutant telomerase RNA that will cause the cancer cells to self-destruct when the chromosomes start sticking together. It also has great research potential in conjunction with stem cells. Another interesting fact about telomeres and telomerase is that external stimuli will have an effect on their length and activity level, respectively. Still, if we learn more about these biomolecules, one day we can combat cancer, aging-related diseases, and maybe even aging itself. Thank you for listening.